I'm really hoping this isn't a rod knock noise. Like, I'm hoping it's just exhaust or something, some plastic part that's loose. You know, it's got an exhaust leak, I think, at least. I don't know.